Oh, hey YouTube, how y'all doing? Well, we're finally back on this thing. The wind's died, thank God. So what we're doing today is we're getting ready to put some paneling in the back of this fiberglass siding. It had become delaminated, and so what I'm going to do is put some luan behind it. I've got a piece cut. I'm probably just going to try to do as far up as it is delaminated, which is pretty much right here. And yeah, once that's done, then I can get that side tucked in, and we can button this sucker up. So yeah, so I'm just cleaning it right now with some mineral spirits, and I'll show you the outside here in just a bit. But yeah, this way we can get it all nice and sealed. And this is not the proper way to do this. I should actually be replacing that piece of fiberglass and you know, getting another piece of laminated fiberglass. They do that at the factory, where they actually laminate it to the veneer via, I don't know, some sort of a heated resin. But we're going to try to do this. This should definitely last for the length of the life of this thing. So alright, thanks for watching. Hey YouTube, how y'all doing? Alright, we're ready to put this panel in here. Use this 3M product, so we're going to see how this works. Basically, you put the stuff on both surfaces and you let it sit for 30 minutes or so, and then you kind of adhere everything. You want to use some spacers so that it doesn't adhere prematurely. We're going to try this and see how bad we can do it. Alright. Guys. I already got enough fiberglass splinters that I'm not going to do this without gloves, so it's looking kind of awkward, I know. That's about where she's going to sit. Get my little roller apparatus ready. I'm going to roll this thing in place. Tomorrow we'll bond it to the actual inner framework, just getting it to the fiberglass now. bit of added security. Put a cowl on this as well. This is a little part I got blowed out of here. Not used to wearing gloves, so forgive my clumsiness. See how that does. Yeah, take you guys inside and we'll have a look at it together. Yeah, like I say, sorry for the video quality. The sun is setting, and so I couldn't get the greatest camera angle on it. Yeah, there's kind of my repair panel. And that's just for this lower part. The rest of it's still adhered. I really didn't want to mess with the factory adhesion more than I absolutely had to. Already opened up one hell of a can of worms. And of course, once I put the innards back in here, the insulation and the window frame and whatnot, it should lock everything in pretty good. Yeah, that adhesive's something else, I tell you. Pretty interesting stuff. Yeah, this is the stuff I used here, so we'll see how it works. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah, tomorrow will be a lot more exciting. We're going to get the other side done. I'll do a little bit more thorough video on it. We're kind of battling the wind again, so it's already started to get breezy, which sucks when you're trying to do paneling like this and with products you gotta roll on and whatnot. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow's a little nicer, and I'll do a little more informative video for you guys. Thanks. Take care. Well, hey there YouTube, how y'all doing? Okay, we're back at the RV today. We're on the passenger side, and it's kind of bright out here. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see, but if you look right down, you can kind of see how it bows in, bows out about right here at the corner of the window. Now, this is exactly the problem we had on the driver's side. This is a lot less prominent. It was actually adhered still pretty good except for right here. And what I'm thinking is that the leaks that we had, for some reason, I think probably right there at that corner in that marker light, moisture coming in kind of came down, and again we started having the same problem on this side where it was coming apart. Battery's starting to go dead, but I just got to finish cleaning up all this butyl tape, and then I can come down here, and if you look in there, there's bare fiberglass, and see, there's the old insulation up there that's still adhered real good, so we're going to leave it, and we're going to insert our panel, and it'll look just like the other side, which that adhesive worked out really well. And I've got some flashing that I'm actually going to kind of fur this front out with. It was cut a little short from the factory, and then just from sagging over the years, it's kind of pulled it in. So we're going to flash this out, and hopefully we have no more leaks. Alright, thanks for watching.